Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is an unboxing video and I haven't done one of these in so long. I think the one I did was pretty much a year ago when I first started doing YouTube. So I think it's high time I did another. And today's unboxing is a bag and it's from a brand which I've bought from before and I really like them. And that brand is Zatchels. They do gorgeous leather bags in different styles and colours and different things like that. So I'll just get on with doing the unboxing of mine. Obviously it came in a box all packaged up nicely, but I just got rid of that and I just kept it in the dust bag. So the dust bag is just a black velvet type bag, just to keep it in, and it's drawstring. I love it when bags come with dust bags. It means that you can keep them clean and safe and everything like that. Inside the dust bag is this, which is my little bag, and this is the sugar cube. Obviously it is only quite small, but I actually really like quite small bags at times. Like sometimes you want a bag that can fit everything in it, and others you just want one that maybe just your phone and a bit of money in and things, so that's what this is perfect for. Like I said, all the bags that Zatchels make are leather, and this is, and it just feels so nice. Like the leather is like super soft. If you smell it, it smells of leather, and I love it when you can smell the leather. I don't know why it's a little bit weird, but I think being around horses and leather, like the saddles and things, I think it just sort of rubbed off from that. But this is the sugar cube bag and it comes with a little handle on the top and also a long handle that you can put around you. Obviously you can make this shorter or longer depending how long you want it. I actually really love this colour. On camera it looks really cream, but in person it's sort of more pinky toned. It's sort of like a dusky pink kind of colour. But I think it actually goes really well with the black and it makes it still look quite classic, and it will still go with anything and everything you decide to wear. I'm also really sorry about this lighting. Like, the weather, it keeps changing outside, so it keeps going brighter and then not. But again, that's English autumn weather for you. And then to open the bag, you literally just press this in and it opens. So this is the inside of the bag. As you see, it's only quite small, but it's big enough to fit your phone in and basically the essentials. It also comes with this, which is just telling you how to care for your bag and like a guarantee and things, and also a certificate of authenticity. Oh, it's not showing up. To show that it is real, it's a real Zatchels bag, it's made from real leather, and also the bag number and everything like that, so in case you do decide to sell it, you can do. One thing I love about Zatchels bags is that they are all handmade in the UK and they use the finest grade leather and accessories, so these bags will last you a lifetime. The other one I've got, I've used it so many times and it's still going strong. It doesn't even look like I've used it at all. Obviously, as I said, this is the sugar cube and this is the regular size. You can also get one which is slightly larger. And obviously Zatchels do a load of different types of bags. You can get a classic satchel bag and also like rucksacks and other little bags as well. So there's definitely something for everyone, and I love all the colours that they do. I especially love the oxblood colour that they do, and I'm really tempted to get the same bag in that colour because it just looks so cute, and I think it would be perfect for like autumn, winter, that kind of colour and shade would be perfect for that. But obviously, like I said, this is very classic and it will go with anything and everything you decide to wear. One thing I forgot to mention is it's not really heavy either, even though it's got quite a lot of hardware on it. It doesn't make it heavy, but it's still really, really sturdy. But yeah, I just think it's so cute. I mean, just look at it. I just love it. I actually do. And I can't wait to start using this as well. I will also leave a link to Zatchels down below if you decide to want to have a look at their bags. I really want more now. I just think they're so cute, and I love all the different colours and shade selections that they do and everything like that. And also, like I said, that they are made in Britain, so you're supporting a British made company when you're buying from them. So I hope you liked my little unboxing, and you have to let me know, have you got a Zatchels bag or anything similar, and what do you think of it, and yeah, anything like that I suppose. So don't forget to subscribe if you do like my channel and this video. I'm always doing more mainly beauty videos, but I do want to start doing more fashion and I have so many ideas, so you have to make sure you're subscribed so you see them all. So I'll see you soon with another video. Bye!